Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily change or move columns in Google Sheet to better organize your data. First, click on the letter of the column you want to move. For example, column A. This will highlight the entire column. Now move your cursor to the border of the column header and use your small hand icon. Simply click and drag the column to a new position when you have got it where you want it. If dragging isn't your thing, you can also right click the column header and select cut. Then right click on the column where you want to place in and choose insert. This method works just as well. You can also move multiple columns by simply clicking and dragging across multiple column headers, then drag them to a new position or use the cut and insert cut column method. Made a mistake? No worries, you can always press Ctrl plus Z or on Window or CMD plus Z on Mac to undo any changes. And that's how you change columns in Google Sheet. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips.